Okay, I'm going to show you how to make homemade dish soap. This is my bottle of homemade dish soap. As you can see, it makes quite a bit. It goes to about here, but this is two containers worth of dish soap that I made. You're going to use a grater like this and a bar of soap, any kind that you want to use, and I will show you. I have just a plain cooking bowl that I'm going to stick my grater in because it likes to spread everywhere. And you're just going to grate your soap to make a fourth cup of soap. Then you're going to take, after you get to a fourth cup of soap, or the last batch I used more soap than I should have, but it works fine. You can use more or less soap, it just depends on what you want. So mine's almost at a fourth cup, so I'm going to show it a little bit more to get it exactly to a fourth cup. And then we're going to take my mason jar here, and I'm going to make it to the 1 cup, and you're going to use 2 cups of warm water. And you're going to put it in a frying pan, or whatever kind of pan you have, just as long as you remember to not let it boil. And put your water in your frying pan, or whatever you're going to use. So you're going to put your water in your frying pan there. You're going to take your soap and your spatula, or whatever utensil you're going to use to mix your soap with. And you're going to turn your stove on, and you're going to turn it on medium heat, and continue stirring until your grated soap is mixed into the water. And then, if you wish, you can put any essential oils you want in the soap mixture, but you can either put a teaspoon of vinegar or a teaspoon of lemon juice, but I'm out of lemon juice, so I'm not going to add any smell to it. I think it smells great with the lemon juice, but if you're using a soap that has a smell already to it, try it like that and see. It doesn't foam up like regular soap, but it works amazing. This is my 3rd batch of soap, and I absolutely love this batch. I absolutely love this soap. I recommend it for anybody that doesn't want to have to keep buying dish soap. I love it. It should only take a few minutes for your soap to mix into the water. And I repeat, don't let it boil over. You don't want it to boil or anything like that. Now, you're going to take a plastic measuring cup, or whatever kind of measuring cup you have, and you're going to pour your soap mixture into here once it's cooled off a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and make the steps quicker so I can end the video. So you're going to take your soap mixture and pour it into your measuring cup. And this right here is a 2-cup measuring cup. And I have 2 cups of dish soap. So you see it makes a lot of soap. Pour it into whatever container you wish to pour it into. I'm just going to pour it into an empty tea container that I have and store it till I need it to add to my next batch. And I didn't even have enough room in the tea container, so I'm going to pour the rest of it into this. Thank you for watching my editorial on how to make homemade dish soap, and I hope you find this dish soap as useful as I did.